What's up YouTube? I'm Irvin.
I'm Jacob. I'm Jordy.
And today we're gonna be playing a little game of H.O.R.S.E. If you don't know how to play H.O.R.S.E, basically if one person makes a shot, the other two people have to match it. And if they don't, they get a letter, and first person to spell out H.O.R.S.E loses. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, the exciting thing about this game is that the first loser who spells out H.O.R.S.E is gonna get shot by paintball by the other two people. Let's get into it.
Alright, to start things off, I'm gonna start it off with an easy 3.
Not Alright, college quarterback. I'm gonna get it today, I'm gonna get it. Alright, backward shot. Yeah, that's close. Yeah.
Time to start it off for real this time. The simple 3. Hey. Let's go.
Yeah. Alright, so this ain't that hard. Swish. Big shitty's turn. Alright, so this is yesterday.
Too easy. Too easy.
Oh! Clutch punch.
Let's go from a little bit farther distance this time.
Rick! I'm gonna get it today, I'm gonna get it. So usually people would say to throw it closer, but that's not really in my vocab. So that's money. What did I say? Don't make it too easy.
Trying to make the impossible possible.
Alright, so updated score. I'm the only one in the clear. These two clowns here have an H. So let's keep going. Alright, they call me the magician.
Come on. Like throw it over your hand and...
Magician. It's too much sauce.
Too much. Magician. Oh, hey. Just a 3-pointer. Shout out to Devin Booker.
Another day on the job.
Alright. Half-court shot. Easy money.
Alright, I'm gonna get some help on this one. I'm a big fan of soccer. The hook shot from half court. Let's go! Woo! Where'd you do? A hook shot, bro.
I just saw a shot go in. Time for me to make... Oh!
Ain't that hard. I do this every morning at 6 a.m.
This is a backwards 3.
Why are you guys getting scared?
Almost.
Why are you guys getting scared?
Alright, I'm gonna just shoot a bank 3 because the shot's money. Money. All day, baby, all day.
No comment.
Too easy.
I think we get lodged in there.
H.O.R.S.?
Updates for
Yeah. Right, so right now, Jacob has H.O.R.S. Just needs one more letter. I was about to give it to him.
This is called It's a Wrap.
Where?
Tell him if you miss the shot, you lose.
Who is it from
If you
there?
miss the shot, you lose.
I ran into it.
Do or die.
Hey, get out the way.
Do or die.
Hills.
Hey. Solution, we have a loser here.
Alright, so your boy here got handed that L. Unfortunately, we don't have the paintball gun yet, but once we do, this man is gonna get shot
By both of us.
by both of us.
3 shots.
5.
3.
15.
Anyways,
Alright, so we just got done shooting Jacob with this paintball gun. And unfortunately the microphone was turned off, so we didn't get any sound, but
Dumbasses.
but you're gonna get to see all, you got to see all the shots. So how'd it feel?
I was really scared at the beginning, but I'm glad it's over.
It was fun for us.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. I hope you had as much fun as we did recording it, and especially shooting this clown. Anyways, make sure to tell your friends about it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment anything down below. And stay tuned. Make sure to watch out for our next video. Alright, well, thank you for watching again. This is Clutch Bunch, and we out.